Hello there, my name is Dinoshan and welcome to my website presentation. In this presentation I'll be showing you the functionalities I've made for my web assignment on University of Northampton second year computing. As you can see, I've got a home page here and it's got 4 different links, where one would take you to job titles where you can search job by choosing variations of job titles. You can also search jobs by choosing the job category numbers, category IDs, and it will show you the jobs. You can also so if I show you the page, it shows you here. And if I click on administration and click on search, it will bring up all the informations for that specific job, which includes job title, location, salary, job description, and the category ID for that job. Same goes to search jobs with job categories. I'll choose the category ID, search it up. It will also do the same thing. And it has 2 different jobs here at the moment. One's administrator and one's hotel manager. You can also apply for an application. You can also apply for a specific job through this application form by choosing the necessary job ID, filling in the details, phone number, email, name and surname, and send it off so that the admins will be able to access it with the administrative area. And to go into that administration area, you would have to log in. So in this case, if I put in the login details and submit it, it would take you to a whole different page, which is not viewed to the public eye. It's only for admins in the company to access this page, where there's all functionalities to handle the website and jobs and categories. Here there's adding jobs, and in order to add a new job, all you have to do is type in a new job ID, a new job title. So in this case I'll go for IT technician, location London, and all the details in. And you have to make sure that the category ID has to be right, so that the job and the category goes together and suits. In this case it's IT technician, so I have to choose a category ID which is for computing, which in this case would be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Also, I would have to put in the admin ID of who created it, so that it would come up in the informations. As soon as I click on add, you get a pop-up say job added. And just to make sure that it's there, if I go to search jobs with job titles, go down, as you can see, IT technician is now there. And if I try to search it, all the details comes up that I just added in. Same goes to adding categories. All I need to do is add a new category number and add a new category name. So in this case I want to create a category called hospitality, and I click on add. It would also bring up a pop-up message saying category added. So just to make sure again, if I go to search job with job categories, there you go, 24681012, which is hospitality in this case. Now editing jobs, I can do this. This page has been coded so that you can change the necessary details in order to edit the details of a job, just in case if there's any errors occurred within the website. So if I would want to change the details of IT technician, and then change it to IT manager instead, and change London to Northampton, keep the salary the same, and the category ID should be the same. This is computing, admin ID since I'm doing it, and click on submit. It would say job edited. Just to make sure, I'll go and check IT manager. There you go, IT manager Northampton. All the details has been edited. The same principle goes to categories as well. I have a drop down menu here where I can choose the following categories. So if I choose hospitality and change the category name to medicine and click on submit, it says editing successful, category edited, which means we've edited the categories. And just to make sure, I'll go in and check. There you go, medicine. And I've also got deleting jobs, just to make sure if the job's no longer there and someone's taken it, then you would have to take the job out of it. You can do this by choosing the job ID number, and what that does, that deletes the whole data of that specific job with the job ID. So since I want to take out the job IT manager, I'll type in the job ID for it, click on delete successful, just to make sure it's not there anymore. Yep, so I need administrator and hotel manager. And the same goes to deleting categories as well. All I need to do is put in the category ID I need to delete, so in this case it will be medicine. If I delete this, category deleted, and just to make sure, I'll go and check. Yeah, it's now deleted, so that you won't be able to see it anymore. Yeah, computing and hotelier, there's no more medicine since I've deleted it. Applications. You can choose a specific job ID to see the amount of applicants that have applied for this job. So if I click on IT manager and I click on search, you'd see all the names that's come up for this job. So at the moment there's 3 people that have applied for this job, which includes the applicant name, their surname, address, phone number, email, and their skills and qualifications for this job. And the same goes to the other job as well. And you've got 2 people here. This is where in the home page the application form kicks in. So if I want to apply for a job, I can drop in the details. And hopefully when I've finished putting in these details and click on submit on send button, this would actually send it, so that now if I go to view applications, go on 144080122, which was the application form they sent it to, you can see there the applicant name, Shana, applicant name's surname, address, phone number, email, and skills has come up. And this logout button, if I click on this logout button, this will take me straight back to the home page. Take me back to the admin page on the public view. So if I wanted to log in, if I wanted to access the area again, I would have to log in again. So put the password in. As you can see, you can't see the password letters, which increases the security of this website. Click on submit and you're there. As you can see, this is very easy to use, not too hard to read, and all the functions are working well without any errors. Although the website doesn't look professional in terms of color and the looks, as long as it functions correctly, as it says in the assignment brief, then that's fine. So thank you for taking the time to look at my website for this assignment, and I hope you've liked it. Thank you very much. This is Dinoshan, second year, University of Northampton, Computer Games Development.